Our extensive coverage of the coronavirus pandemic continues now, and the COVID-19 crisis has shut down hundreds of daycare centers across South Florida, and now some are working toward reopening. Many have been closed for more than a month, and now they're learning the reopening won't come without a new way of operating. CBS 4's Jessica Vallejo is in Davie, where the process is already underway.
Happy children and staff here today at a daycare center that has opened in Davie, but you'll notice there's a sign outside that says students and staff beyond this point must wash their hands, and also there's a sink outside, and it's just some protocols they have taken to reopen the facility.
We want to spread hope.
The Children's World South Daycare Center is now opened after being shut for more than a month since the COVID-19 crisis.
Wash your hands.
But on Tuesday, only a few students, 7 to be exact, returned to their norm.
A lot of the families are filled with fear right now. Just by opening the doors, it's going to help them slowly, eventually be more relaxed.
The daycare has 130 children enrolled. Helen Fernandez, the owner of the center, says there is no need to be afraid.
Just following all the CDC guidelines.
Moving forward, Fernandez says only 9 students will be allowed in a classroom. Toys are being sanitized, the facility cleaned daily. Employees are wearing masks and gloves throughout the day, and parents are not allowed in the building.
And to know that this is a safe environment for their children.
Anna Betancourt, a parent we spoke to over the phone, said she was unsure dropping her twins off at first.
I hadn't seen it firsthand, so I went over to the school, and I was happily surprised, and I mentioned this to Miss Helen, just to see the sink outside.
It made her feel safe, she says, and even with keeping the classroom size small at first, Fernandez says they will face challenges, especially with the younger ones.
Enforcing the rules patiently and reminding children constantly is something we really will have to work on.
But they are confident.
Moving on, next week, it might be double this number, and it'll just get better after that. We're happy to see the children back.
Now, children entering this building will have their temperature taken beforehand, and parents that are picking them up after school are being asked to please call 15 minutes prior, and that's to practice social distancing. In Davie, Jessica Vallejo, CBS 4 News.